Hey everybody, I wanted to hop on here and show you this table fan that I just got. It's gonna come with a really nice base. The top here, the fan part has 5 blades and it is going to rotate too. You can also put it into a locked position and then the face of the fan will not be able to come off. You are gonna have 3 different fan speeds here, so low, medium, and high. When it is off, it'll just indicate red light up here. And then you're also going to have a 2, 4, 6, or 8 hour timer. It is gonna be super lightweight, and the best part about it is that it does come with a power cord, so you're not gonna have to worry about ever running out of battery or anything like that. So super excited about this, great for indoor or outdoor use, and this little fan kicks a lot of power too. So this is on the 2nd setting here, and then on your 3rd setting, you can see you're getting a lot of fan speed for just a little bit of noise with it. So that is perfect too. So it's gonna be great for like a work environment or home in your bedroom. It'll be nice and quiet. So if you guys are looking for a great little tabletop fan, this one is a great find.